Hello everyone, good evening. Hello Bro Bara, Sis Nai Sheila, Miss Reina. Hello Sis Arjun. You guys, welcome back into class everyone. Sis Arjun, you said to ours you got under the weather for today. You okay? Sis Arjun? Hello? I think you are right, okay? Sis Arjun, I
Okay,
couldn't. Okay.
okay,
Are
perfect.
you okay?
Okay, I just had it.
Right. So have you taken medicine?
Yes, I have.
So really great. So you need to take a rush, I think, this Arjun. I thought
Okay,
you
thank you,
you had
perfect.
a lot of things to do on Monday. Monday is like a busy day, right?
Yeah,
All right.
I
So you can
prepared my
just take a
swimming
rest later.
pool, so tired.
Oh, that makes it tired, sis Arjun. Yeah. Oh, really? Okay, just keep it up, sis Arjun. Yeah. Take a rest a lot. Get
Okay,
well soon. Sure. Right. So, Bro
thank you.
Bara, most welcome. Bro Bala, hello. Good evening, Bro Bara.
Hello,
Hello, Bro Bara. What's up, bro? You
I'm
okay?
good.
You are good. Okay, sounds great. That you're always good. Roberta, did you go to school today?
Yes.
Oh, that's a great. And did you do the flag ceremony this Monday?
Yes.
Really good. Okay. And did you join the flag ceremony in your school? Did you
Yes.
join it?
Yes, I
Really
did
good.
it.
Great one, bro. And what about your school today? How was your school today, bro?
Uh, it is very good.
It was very good, right? Okay, great. Roberta, keep it up, right? Okay. Great one, everyone. So you guys, let's start and open the class while waiting Audrey's friend to join. So good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the class again with Speaking Partner.
We are the best.
Partner. Okay. What's password, guys?
Keep
Keep
smiling.
Oh,
smiling.
guys, really good, everyone. Okay, guys, today is Monday, and by the way, this week is our last week, everyone. Oh my God, time flies so fast, right? So I will remind you guys start from today. Okay, for the following class, it should be intermediate two. Okay, you will learn a new topic, especially an advanced grammatical range, and also
Yeah.
you will learn
Bilang sama ayah
about
nggak bakal kayaknya abang semua.
listening. Okay, listening. We'll learn about listening a lot. Maybe the listening is fill the blank, even multiple choice as well, and also the advanced, okay, vocabularies, everyone. The phrases, guys, phrasal verb. Okay, this is really interesting topic, everyone. You need to go on and learning in intermediate too. Okay, so guys, if you want to continue to the following one at the next level, you can start to register now, everyone. Yeah. Okay, I hope we can meet again later. Okay, so you can have a class the following one, and also I will give you an addition. The important addition is about intonation. So we'll learn and talk about intonation in English. Intonation is very important when we want to talk about. So it helps us a lot
Yeah.
to have a good intonation. I guess, yeah. So it is more like, guys, sounds like a native. I guess, yeah. We will learn it, everyone. Not on in this level, maybe we have learned the intonation in the questions, but it's gonna be different in the word, letter, and also in the sentence, the whole sentence. We use the intonation in English. Okay, so I hope you guys you want to continue to the next level. Just text our customer service. I guess, yeah. Says Kita. Okay, so you will get new groups and a new class. We will get started our new class on Monday, next Monday. You got it, everyone? It means we still have 3 days, 4 days left. Tomorrow on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That's our meeting left, everyone. Okay, so guys, back to here, everyone. And today we would like to learn and talk about a new topic. Do you know what is the topic for this time?
Halloween.
That's a Halloween. That's absolutely correct. Halloween. So this is the same like we talk about the traditions, the culture in in the UK, especially in the Europe, even in America as well. The Halloween, one of the biggest events that celebrated over there. So we just talk about the Halloween. Maybe guys, who has ever celebrated Halloween here? Siapa yang pernah merayakan
Me.
Halloween? Oh, just Ajeng. Oh, really good,
When I
right?
was young.
Oh, when you were young? Ah, really good.
In
Okay.
Bali.
In Bali. All right, really good. Like a party. Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
lovely. Okay, great. Okay, guys, the topic is a Halloween. We have a reading text. Kita ada bacaannya ya, guys, ya. We have a lot. Okay, so we have a 6 or maybe 5 hashtag today for the Halloween time. And for the conversation is about holiday, right, everyone? Okay, guys, let's have a chit chat topic this time. All right, if you want to talk with me, just raise your hand, everyone. Don't be shy. Just having fun for the chit chat topic in the beginning. Guys, October 31st is a Halloween and is now celebrated in many countries around the world. But do you know anything about the origin of this scary special day? Maybe I would like to ask, what about this time? This would be Sismara. Sismara, hello. Sismara,
Oh, hello, bro Vicky.
hello, Sismara. Okay, Sismara, I have a question. So maybe you have known about Halloween, right? Maybe you have ever heard about this. Is that right?
Yes, I
Ah,
know Halloween, and
great.
I know the
What? The
tragedy
origins?
in Busan. In
Oh,
mana ya? In Korea.
yeah, in Busan, in Korea. Oh, all right. Yeah, that's right, everyone. This is if we talk and heard about the Halloween, the big like a tragedy, it must be in Korea. All right. This is really bad, right? Okay. And by the way, Susmara, do you know anything about the origin of this scary special day? Sejarahnya, the origins.
I think Halloween's from America. I think, yeah, but I'm
Ah,
not sure. My information is true or not.
all
But
right.
the all of country in America, like
Uh-uh.
Canada, United
Mm-hmm.
States,
Mm-hmm.
and the others, uh, most of the people in the America is
Celebrating this event.
yeah,
Mhm.
celebrate the Halloween, and it's a special day that
Ah,
they they waiting
uh-uh.
to
Uh,
celebrate the Halloween.
oh,
Uh they have a costume, and
yeah.
even the children or the father, mother, the all the family, they celebrate Halloween.
Oh, really good, Tuan. That's a great. I think you know all about this. Is really good, Sismara. Okay, so Sismara, you talk about the costume before, right? Okay, the
Hmm?
people always wear the costume, the unique costume. According to you, if you would celebrate this Halloween event, so what is the best costume idea for this event for you?
I think I wanna wear a custom Hulk
Hulk,
because
Hulk, the
yeah,
green one,
Hulk.
green and the big one.
Yeah, because it's
Ah,
big and it's a scary. Yeah,
scary.
and Hulk is green. Yeah, and
All
I
right.
think I love green, so I
Oh,
will to wear Hulk costume.
all right. So why don't you want to wear buto ijo? That's a great too.
Yeah, but Buto Ijo is not wearing anything.
uh, oh
They
yeah. Is it right?
yeah, they
Oh,
they apa ya tubuh their
buddy.
body is
Mhm.
the origin body is the color is green. So if I know I'm not wearing anything,
Oh yeah, is that right? Oh, I don't even know Buta Ijo actually. Oh sure, Sismara. Okay,
yeah,
great. Okay, Sismara, that's a great one. Lovely answer.
yeah,
Okay,
thank you.
sure, anytime. What about the authors one gets to talk about? In this time, it must be okay. So, oh, we have Sis Ika. Sis Ika, it has been a while. You didn't join the class. Sis Ika, hello.
Hello, Bro Vic. I'm
All
sorry.
right. So, what's Sis Ika? How's life today? You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank
That's a
you.
great. Jessica, we talk about Halloween this time, and I have a chit chat topic with you. Look at this. Maybe the short questions. What kind of ghost is the scariest to you?
Maybe kuntilanak.
Oh, wow, wow, wow. All right. So why? Give me the reason.
Hmm, because I don't even know uh,
Okay.
is the kuntilanak is real or not.
Okay.
But I just see in the movie or
Okay.
in the uh,
Got.
synchron. Yeah.
All right.
Based on the appearance in the movie or
Ah,
in
all
the
right.
I think it is so scary.
That's scary, right? Okay, that's a right. Okay. So well, says Ika, every people in the world they have the biggest fear. It must be different each persons. So, what is your biggest fear, says Ika?
Biggest fear? What is
Yeah,
fear?
ketakutan terbesar. Okay.
Oh,
Mm,
ketakutan terbesar.
okay.
Hmm,
What?
I don't know what my biggest fear.
Oh, right.
Maybe.
Be the darkness.
Oh no,
Ah,
I'm not scary with the darkness.
really good.
Oh, I'm scary about
Mhm.
the animal apa
The
wild
wild
animal,
animal.
yeah,
Uh,
like
s- s-
lion,
snake.
yeah, snake, lion.
Ah,
If I go to the zoo, uh,
okay.
I I will be far away
What?
from this animal.
Oh, really good. Okay, Jessica. Great word. Okay. Thank you so much, Jessica. Really good
Thank
word.
you.
Sure. Okay. So, guys, this one is the last talk topic this time is the biggest fair and the authors. If you talk about Halloween, it must be about the scary things. So, yeah, guys, I have a topic and we will learn about the last explanation. Look at this one. The origins of Halloween. Asal muasal nih guys ya. Nah, history. The pumpkins, labu kuning. Fancy dress, kostum-kostumnya nih. Trick or treat, ini adalah sebuah tradisi guys ya. And the rest of the world, penjuru dunia. Let's talk about the first one. This is the origin of Halloween. Guys, anyone who wants to read the first text here, and I give you the meaning here, guys, on WhatsApp. Anyone who wants to read this? Everyone? Yo, raise your hand. Maybe it should be Sis Naishila. I will choose you. Sis Naishila, come
Hello.
on. Hello, please read the phrase. Okay, let's
Okay.
go. Come on.
The origin of Halloween. If you think of Halloween, you probably think of scary carved pumpkins, all kinds of fancy dress, and children asking for sweets. And if you think of a country that celebrates Halloween, you probably think of the United States first. Americans and Canadians have adopted Halloween in the big way, but Halloween traditions actually come from 16th century Ireland, Scotland, and England. And next paragraph 2.
Of course.
The tradition of Halloween on 31,
31st.
Oh yeah, 21st October comes from the ancient Celtic festival of Samhain. Samhain was the Celtic New Year, and they celebrate it on 1 November because that was the end of summer and harvest time life and the beginning of winter day. It was also the time for ghosts to return to Earth for a day. People lit a big fire, wore special clothes made of animal skin, and hoped to be safe from the ghosts and the winter. At 609, the Catholic Church was uh, the Catholic Church put the Christian celebration of All Saint Day on 1 November. At 1000, the church had also Day on 2 Novembers and Hallows Eve or Halloween moved to the night of the 31st.
All right, good one. That's lovely. Thank you so much, sis. You are so good, Sister Sheila. All right.
Thank
All right. What about the next one to read these? I would like to ask. Maybe it should be for the boy, right? Ruanggoro, Ruanggoro. Is it possible to read this, or maybe you are still
Huh?
on the way? Hello.
I'm still busy, but I'll fine.
Okay, great. Okay, let's go.
Which one, bro?
Yeah, this one. This is the same. The same text.
Oh, the origin of Halloween. Wait, I will take it.
Okay.
Mhm.
The origin of Halloween. If you think of Halloween, you probably think of scary curved pumpkins, all kind of fancy dress, and children asking for sweet. And if you think of a country that celebrate Halloween, you probably think of the United States first. Americans and Canadians have adopted Halloween in a big way, but Halloween tradition actually come from 16th century Ireland, Scotland, and England. The traditional of Halloween on uh, thir- uh 31st, right, bro?
Yes.
31st
Yes.
October.
31st October. That's
October
right.
come from the ancient Celtic festival of Samhain. Samhain was the Celtic New Year, and they celebrate in on 1st November because that was the end of the summer and harvest time life and the beginning of winter.
you.
That it was also the time for ghosts to return to each for a day. People lit a big fire, wore special clothes made of animal skin, and hoped to be safe from the ghosts and the winter. In Eddie, uh, Eddie, right, Bob?
Yes.
Eddie, 609. The Catholic Church put the Christian celebration of All Saints' Day on the 1st November. In AD uh, 1000,
Mhm.
the church added All Souls Day on the 2nd November and All Hallow Eve or Halloween moved to the night of the 31st. That's right, bro. Okay.
That's great. Okay, thank you so much, bro. Really good one. Okay, so well, everyone, look at this. The origins of Halloween. Ini adalah asal muasalnya Halloween ya. If you think of Halloween, you probably itu kayak artinya mungkin you probably thinks of straight curved pumpkins, all kinds of fancy dress, and children asking for sweets. Kalau kita mendengar tentang Halloween, pasti kita pikir kayak gini, guys. Pasti itu tentang sesuatu yang serem-serem ya. Pastinya ada ukiran sebuah labu kuning gitu, guys ya. Or maybe semua pakaian-pakaian yang kostum-kostum the fancy dress and children asking for sweet, anak-anak yang minta-minta permen So you can say trick or treat nanti guys. And if you think of country that celebrates of Halloween, you probably think of the United States first. This is like smaller before. Maybe America is the first, ya guys ya. American, Canadian have adopted Halloween in a big way, but Halloween tradition actually come from 16th century Ireland, Scotland, and England. Otomatis pertama ya guys, tradisi ini itu berasal dari abad ke-16 ya. Ireland, Landia, Scotland, England. It means from the United Kingdom. Kan negara-negara bagian UK teman-teman. Ireland, Scotland, England. From that country. The tradition of Halloween on 31st October. Pokoknya teman-teman tanggal itu bacanya adalah pakai ordinal number. 31st, 30, okay, or maybe 21st, 22nd, 23rd. 31st October comes from the ancient Celtic festival of Samhain. Nah, tradisi Halloween itu tanggal 31 Oktober teman-temannya. Itu berasal dari festival suku Celtic kuno teman-temannya. The ancient Celtic of Samhain. What is Samhain? Samhain was the Celtic New Year and they celebrated on 1st November because that was the end of summer and harvest time of life at the beginning of the winter dance. Jadi guys, Samhain adalah sebuah tahun bagi suku ya guys atau suku Celtic kuno ini guys ya. Tahun barunya gitu guys. Nama tahun barunya itu Samhain. Oke. Yaitu tanggal 1 November. Karena kenapa? Tanggal 1 November itu merupakan tanggal ya guys ya the end of the summer, berarti akhir dari musim panas ya, musim panas di sana summer. And harvest time, makanya akhir musim panas itu pasti waktu panen ya guys ya, the harvest time atau dibilang live karena panen ya guys, tapi dapat banyak melimpah tumbuh-tumbuhan ya guys ya, panen-panennya. Harvest time or live disebutnya, and the beginning of the winter death dan berupa mulainya musim dingin, turun salju biasanya atau dibilang death, tumbuh-tumbuhan bakal mati di situ guys. Oke. It was also the time for ghosts to return to the earth for a day. Bagi kepercayaan suku Celtic ya guys ya. Waktu tahun baru itu, Samhain itu adalah waktu di mana setan-setan itu turun ke bumi gitu guys. People lit a big fire. Ya, orang-orang sedikit takut ya guys ya. Oke. More special clothes made of animal skin and hope to be safe from the cold and the winter. You know guys, karena di waktu itu dia percaya kalau musim dingin itu mulai, oke, dan juga percaya kalau banyak setan-setan turun ke bumi, makanya dia menggunakan pakaian-pakaian yang terbuat dari animal skin, kulit-kulit hewan ya guys ya, dan diharapkan dia itu terhindar dari serangan-serangan atau gangguan setan dan juga hangat kan guys, ketika musim dingin tuh hangat kan pakai baju dari kulit. In AD 909, oke, di tahun Masehi, AD itu sebelum Masehi teman-temannya, hitungannya dari Masehi dulu banget gitu guys ya. AD, the Catholic Church, maksudnya church ya, gereja itu church. We don't say church, kayaknya bukan dibaca K, tapi baca C. Ini guys, gereja Katolik put the Christian celebration of All Saints Day on 1st November. Nah, di sana ada sebuah gereja Katolik yang menempatkan hari perayaan Kristen ya guys ya. Oke, atau semua itu tanggal 1 ya guys ya. Saints Day. The Saints Day itu kayak Roh Kudus. We don't know that actually guys. In the 1st November. Tanggal 1 November. In AD 1000 itu guys ya. You can say 1000 is okay or 1000 juga boleh bacanya 1000, 1000 is okay. The church ate All Souls Day on 2nd November and All Hallows Eve or Halloween moved to the night of the 31st. Makanya guys, itu kan biar nggak tabrakan, biar nggak bareng waktunya, makanya guys Halloween-nya diubah tanggal 31 gitu guys ya. This the origins atau asal muasal Halloween. That's from Ireland, Scotland, and England, especially from the Celtic festival, Samhain. The next one, pasti ada ukiran pumpkin. So well guys, I would like to ask Bro Bara to rate this. Bro Bara, come on. Please rate this tag, Bro Bara.
Pumpkins. The cells carve faces into the vegetables like turnips, potatoes, and squash. A pumpkin is a kind of squash. To scare the ghosts and other spirits and make them go away. It was sometimes called Jack-o'-lantern because an Irish story about a man Jack. He played a trick on the devil. He played a trick on the devil and then had walked to the earth for all time as a punishment. Irish people who came to who came to live in the United States in 1001 80,000
1800s.
1800s found pumpkins much easier to carve, and the tradition became the one we see today.
Ooh, great, Blubara. Thank you so much. That's a good. All right, the next one for the girls wall, and I would like to ask. I think it should be. Hey guys, anyone's? Oh, what about sis? Um, sis Reina. Hello, sis Reina. Could you read this one, sis Reina? Hello. Right. So, guys, anyone wants? See, Jasmine, come on, please read this, is Jasmine. All right, let's go, Jasmine. All right.
Pumpkins. Clear my voice.
Of course, I can hear your voice. Okay.
The shell,
The cell.
wait. The shell carved face into vegetable like turnip, potatoes, and squash. Pumpkin is skin of squash. To scare the ghosts and other spirits and make them go away. It was sometimes called a text or lantern because of an
Irish
story about man Jack. He played a trick on the devil and then had to walk the earth for a time as a pun, punishment. Irish people who come to live in the United States in the 1800s found pumpkins much easier to carve, and the tradition became the one we see today.
All right, thank you so much, Jasmine. Sure. Okay, guys, the pumpkins. Pumpkins, labu kuning itu, guys. The cell curved faces into the vegetables like turnips, potatoes, and squash. What is squash? A pumpkin is a kind of squash, ya guys ya. Oke. Jadi suku Celtic tadi guys ya, dia itu mengukir wajah pada sayur-sayuran seperti hanya apa? Sayuran seperti loba, turnips, loba, potatoes, kentang-kentang, and squash itu labu, jenis labu gitu guys ya. To scare the ghosts and other spirits and make them go away. Guys ya. Tujuannya apa sih? Untuk menakuti setan itu sendiri dan juga atau mengusir setan dan juga ini guys ya, mengusir roh-roh jahat ya gitu guys ya. Can say that. It was sometimes called the jack-o'-lantern. Nah, di suku Celtic itu dikenal sebagai jack-o'-lantern. Jack-o'-lantern. Kenapa? Because of an Irish, ya guys ya, di Irish ya guys ya, Irlandia, orang Irish, in the Irish story about the man Jack. Ada sebuah cerita laki-laki namanya Jack. Jack ini, he played a trick on the devil and then had to walk the earth for all times a punishment. Dia itu suka banget main sama setan gitu guys ya. Let's say that's one. Okay. Makanya dia mendapat hukuman gitu, mempermainkan setan. Okay, as punishment, they had to walk earth for all times. In Irish, Irish people who came to live in the United States in 1800s found pumpkins much easier to carve, and the tradition became the one we see today. Nah, orang Irish yang datang ke Amerika, ya guys ya. Nah, dia membawa budaya ini, guys. Oke. So that's why ini dari Irish ya guys ya. Negara bagian United Kingdom. Dia ke Amerika itu, guys. United States. Ya guys ya, di tahun 1800-an. 1800 menemukan pumpkins yang lebih mudah untuk di ini guys ya, di curve, oke, kayak di teman-teman, like dikarang, dibuat, dibentuk-bentuk, diukir bentuk-bentuk wajah kayak gitu. And the tradition became the one we see today. Tradisi ini sampai sekarang masih ada ya. That's the pumpkins. Itu sejarahnya kenapa kok ada pumpkins, kayak labu kuning, okay. And the next is fancy dress, the costume. So you guys, what about Sis Mori? Sis Mori, please read this time, Sis Mori. Yes.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah,
Alright.
good evening, Bro Vicky.
Good evening. All right.
Okay, I will try reading about fancy dress.
Yes,
fancy
that's right.
dress. Yeah. The cell were afraid of the ghost that came of Samhain. If they went outside after dark, they cover their face with masks. The hope any ghost the met walting the were ghosts too and would leave the alone ya. Alone. In early America, the Native American and the first Europe celebrate the end of the harvest, but not Halloween. When Irish people arrive, the harvest festival start to look more like Halloween, and it become popular across the country. In late 19th century, people try to make Halloween less about ghosts and religion and more about celebrating the season with a party for neighbors and family. That's why Americans today wear all kind of Halloween costume and not just scary things like witch and ghosts like in other country.
Oh, great. Thank you so much, Sis Mori. Really good.
Thank you.
Okay, sure. And then the next is Burahmat first. Raise hands. Okay, this Icha. After this, I will call you. Burahmat, come on. Fancy dress.
Okay. Fancy dress. The cells were afraid of the ghosts that came on Samhain. If they went outside after dark, they covered their face with masks. They hoped any ghost they met would think they were ghosts too and would leave them alone. In early America, the Native Americans and the first Europeans celebrated the end of the harvest, but not Halloween. When Irish people arrived, the harvest festival started to look more like Halloween, and it became popular across the country. In the late 16th century,
19th
century, people tried to make Halloween less about ghosts and religion and more about celebrating the season with a party for neighbors and family. That's why Americans today wear all kinds of Halloween costumes and not just scary things like witches and ghosts like in other countries.
Great. Thank you so much, Burahmat. Great. So first we trace the Salk were afraid of the ghosts that came on Samhain. Suku Celtic tadi kan takut nih guys ya. Kalau setan-setan itu bakal datang di hari tahun baru Samhain tadi. If they went outside out of the dark, kalau mereka itu keluar di malam hari, they cover their face with a mask, yaitu memakai masker gitu guys ya. Okay. They hope any ghost they met would. Bacanya would. Kita nggak perlu bilang would, jadi O-nya nggak perlu dibaca. Would, could, think they were ghosts too and would leave them alone. Dengan pakai masker-masker yang aneh-aneh gitu guys ya. Nggak hanya masker aja, masker yang aneh-aneh, topeng menyeramkan gitu. Dengan memakai seperti itu, bahkan baju-baju juga tadi yang terbuat dari ini guys ya, kulit-kulit hewan yang menyeramkan juga. Dia memakai seperti itu berharapan bahwa ketika ketemu sama setan-setan gitu guys di malam hari, setan-setan bakal mikir, wah ini sama teman saya nih, jadi nggak bakal menyerang. Kepercayaan orang Celtic seperti itu. Oke. In early America, the Native American and the first European celebrated the end of the harvest. Kalau orang Amerikanya dulu sendiri guys ya, zaman dahulu itu mereka di tanggal itu, ya 31st itu bukan merayakan Halloween, bukan. Tapi mereka itu merayakan yang namanya hari panen, Thanksgiving. Oke, bukan Halloween. Nah, when the Irish people arrive, orang Irish ini datang ke Amerika, bawa budaya itu, guys. The harvest festival started to look more like a Halloween and become popular across the country. Budaya Halloween itu membawa budaya Halloween ya guys ya, dan menjadi populer ya guys di negara Amerika. In the late 19th century, ya guys di akhir abad 19-an, people tried to make Halloween less about the ghosts and religion and more about celebrating the season with a party for neighbor and family. Nah, di akhir abad 19-an, orang-orang itu mencoba untuk membuat Halloween itu nggak untuk takut sama setan gitu guys ya, atau bahkan berdoa biar aman dari gangguan setan, bukan, tapi lebih ke party gitu guys ya, mulai abad ke-19. Waktu untuk party ini guys ya, untuk para tetangga, bahkan keluarga. That's why Americans today wear all kinds of Halloween costume, not just scary thing like witches and ghosts like in other country. Makanya orang Amerika sekarang itu merayakannya dengan memakai kostum-kostum Halloween. Gak hanya pakaian-pakaian yang menakutkan, ya guys ya, kayak witches, ya guys ya, penyihir perempuan, atau ghost, setan, enggak. Maybe like superhero, who knows, they can wear that as well. Okay, like in other countries. This is everyone, yeah. And the next one is about this, everyone. This is a trick or treat. Tradisi nih guys ya, minta permen. Okay, especially for the kids. Okay, and sis Icha, come on. Trick or treat, sure.
Trick or treat. This is another tradition that began in Europe. This time in England, when the church,
gereja.
Church, yeah, introduced All Souls Day, rich people give poor people soul cake. A small cake made with spice and raisins. It replaced the Celtic tradition of leaving food outside houses for the ghost. Going a souling was popular in England for hundreds of years until about the 1930s. The American kept the tradition, but today children knock on people's doors and ask for sweets. Going trick or treating is so popular that a quarter of the sweets for the year in the United States are sold for this one day.
Oh, great, Icha. Thank you so much. Sylvia, come on, you are the Sylvia, you are the second.
Yes.
Sis Devi, Devitri, abis ini ya. Sylvia, come on.
Okay, trick or treat. This is another tradition that began in Europe, this time in England. When the church introduced All Souls Day, rich people gave poor people soul cakes, a small cake made with spices and raisins. It replaced the Celtic tradition of leaving food outside houses for the ghosts. Going a souling was popular in England for hundreds of years until about the 1930s. The Americans keep the tradition, but today children knock on people's doors and ask for sweets. Going trick or treating is so popular that a quarter of the sweets for the year in the United States are sold for this one day.
Wow, great, Sylvie. Lovely. Okay, guys, look at this. Sebutannya trick or treat, minta permen ya guys ya. This is another tradition that began in Europe. Another tradition that began in Europe. Salah satu tradisi lain yang berawal dari Eropa. This time in England. Bukan dari Irlandia atau orang Irish tadi, but this is from England. Ya guys ya, negara bagian UK juga. When the church introduced All Souls Days, di hari itu kan gereja memperkenalkan hari roh tadi guys ya, atau introduce All Souls Days tadi. Rich people, di hari itu, di gereja itu, rich people gave poor people soul cakes and small cake made with the spices and raisins. Jadi di hari soul, hari jiwa tadi guys ya. Oke, itu tuh orang-orang kaya memberikan kepada orang-orang miskin sebuah soul cakes. What is soul cake? Itu adalah sebuah kue kecil yang terbuat dari rempah-rempah dan juga raisin, misis kismis gitu guys ya. It replaced the Celtic tradition of leaving food outside the house before they goes. Kenapa gereja itu memerintahkan seperti itu? Karena untuk mengganti tradisi orang Irish tadi guys ya. Oke, bahwa bakal memberikan makanan di luar gitu guys ya. Memberikan di luar untuk setan-setan ya. Kayak you know guys, in our country it has the tradition as well, right? Dikasih makan di luar gitu guys ya. Dan dimakan sama setannya. Nah, orang untuk gereja sendiri dia mengganti itu dengan memberikan makanan kepada orang-orang tidak mampu gitu. Going a solemn was popular in England for hundreds of years until about 1930s. Seperti itu tuh sangat terkenal banget ya guys ya, sampai 1930-an. Nah, the American Cup, the tradition. Nah, sampai ke Amerika itu masih menjaga tradisi ini. But today, you know guys, today children knock on people's door and ask for a sweet. Hari ini beda guys modelnya. Anak-anak itu pergi ke rumah orang-orang dengan mengetok pintu dan meminta sebuah permen. The name is a going trick or treat. Itu namanya trick or treat teman permen itu guys. Going trick or treating is popular that a quarter of the sweets for the year in the United States are sold for this one day. Jadi guys, pasti orang-orang itu rumah-rumah menyiapkan banyak permen ya. Pasti nanti ada yang ketok-ketok pintu, anak-anak minta permen. That's one. Okay, so this is about a trick and treat ya guys ya. And the next one, the last topic is about the rest of the world. Kalau negara-negara yang lain ngapain aja nih guys ketika merayakan seluruh dunia ya Halloween. So what? Tadi ada Sri David 3. Sis Sri David 3. Sis David 3, hello. Come on, you want it right? Yeah, let's go. The last text, guys.
The rest of the world. Halloween has become the United States' second biggest commercial festival after Christmas. Halloween is also celebrated in other countries, but is not as big as in the United States. Even in
United States.
United States.
That's good.
Even in the countries where the tradition began, Mexico celebrates the Day of the Dead from 31st October to November, and some of its traditions, like giving gifts of sugar skulls, are starting to mix with Halloween. In this way, the celebration of Halloween continues to change as new tradition join the old of the Celtic ones.
All right, great, Sis Daffy, lovely. Thank you so much, Sis Daffy. Okay, what about the authors, guys? Sis Yani. Sis Yani, hello, Sis Yani. Hello. Sis Yani, are you here? Sis Yani, could you turn on your microphone, please? All right, great. Okay, Sis Yani, come on, please read this one, the last, yeah?
Okay. The rest of the world. Halloween has become the United States' second biggest commercial festival after Christmas. Halloween is also celebrated in other countries, but it's not as big as in the United States. Even in the countries where the traditions began, Mexico celebrates the Day of the Dead from 31st October to 2nd November. and some of its traditions, like giving gifts of sugar skulls, are starting to mix with Halloween. In this way, the celebration of Halloween continues to change as new traditions join the oldest of the Celtic ones.
Oh, great. Thank you so much, Siani. Lovely. Okay, guys, this is the rest of the word. Kalau suruh dia ngapain nih? Halloween has become the United States' second biggest commercial festival after Christmas. Halloween sudah menjadi ini guys ya, kayak festival terbesar ya guys ya. Kedua di Amerika, United States setelah hari Natal. Halloween is also celebrated in other countries. Juga dirayakan di beberapa negara ya, atau negara lain. But it's not as big as in the United States. Tapi nggak sebesar, as big as, tidak sama sebesar seperti di United States. Even in the countries where the tradition began. Bahkan di negara yang tradisi ini dulu berawal. Irish, contohnya deh, ya, Ireland. That's right. Mexico celebrates the Day of the Dead from 31st October to 2nd November. And the same of its tradition. Mexico merayakan Halloween itu guys ya, oke. Dari 31 Oktober sampai 2 November. It means 3 days. Begitu juga menggunakan tradisi yang sama ya. Like giving gift of sugar skulls. Oke, jadi memberikan hadiah juga ya. Are starting to mix with Halloween. In this way, the celebration of Halloween continues to change as a new tradition during the oldest of the Celtic ones. Alright, this is about the rest of the word. Maybe a lot of countries celebrated this Halloween time. Like I said, I don't think so. This culture, these traditions will celebrate it in Indonesia. Maybe just a few of people who celebrate this Halloween day. Okay, that's what everyone. Yeah, I think you celebrate it. Is it good? But not all people in Indonesia, they know and they want to celebrate the Halloween. All right, guys, this is like Valentine. Okay, but this is Halloween, everyone. Okay, guys, everyone, we have done talking about this, and then if we talk about Halloween, guys, do you think Halloween is about the ghosts of Oldar, right? So, do you think the ghosts in our country and another country, maybe like, guys, Vietnam or Korea, okay, or another country like England, it would be the same or maybe different? What do you think?
No,
That's a
different.
different? Oh, how
Different,
could it
bro.
be? How could it be? Kenapa kok
Because
beda, guys?
we have pocong. Another country
Ah,
don't have pocong.
all right. Who could it be,
Ghost.
guys? Ghosts? What happened with ghosts?
Kalau di in luar negeri itu nih bro, kayak cool gitu loh. Ghostnya tuh keren. Kalau di sini
Ghostnya
serem.
keren.
Because the dress is
Yeah,
Oh
like
my
they
God.
have Dracula, kayak vampire.
Ghost is
they
cool.
wear like a jumpsuit.
Oh my God.
Ganteng.
Ganteng. Oh my God. That's a ghost, everyone. So maybe the people from another country, they will think Tuyul is like the cute baby.
Oh.
Oh, wow. What do you think? Oh my God, guys. It is different, right? Okay. So
Yeah.
it means so
Different
it
culture,
means
bro.
different culture. All right. The different culture, different goes as well. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Okay, guys, so we don't have Gundruwo in America. No.
No.
Okay, no. All right, it's great, everyone. Okay.
We
All
don't
right,
have
so
Jelangkung.
oh, okay, guys. So that's what everyone. Okay, because this topic is about Halloween and it's near to, guys, it is not to holiday time in a Christmas. Okay, everyone. Okay, so that's right. We just talk about the holiday for this conversation today. Right. The topic is the same like I gave you on a breakout room. You can just talk about this, guys. Teman-teman, diskusi pakai ini ya. Just talk about this, everyone. Like, what is your favorite holiday? Has your favorite holiday changed since you were a kid? What do you think? On what holiday do people in your country eat a lot of food? Okay, and do you give gifts? Do you give gifts on any holidays? And the other question that you can use for discussing about. Just practice your breakout to make it fun, everyone. Yep. We'll make it 5, I think. It would be 4. Ada yang 3 nanti. 1, 2, 3, go. Make it fun, everyone. Good luck and see you there. Hey guys, welcome back to the main room, everyone. And thank you so much for practicing today. That was a nice and a great conversation. You talk a lot and you talk anything. You share about your experience, yeah, when you got to holiday with lovely one, with your family, with your partners. Yeah, really, really great day. Okay. And the next, I have you guys to the 1 minute challenge. And in this day, it must be with Sis Sylvie. Sis Sylvie,
Oh,
is
yeah.
all right. Okay.
Okay, it's my turn today.
Yeah, I thought you had a good conversation with your friends. Oh, really good, sis.
I guess
So
so.
I choose you. Okay, so come on, are you ready?
Okay.
That's 1 minute.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Time is yours.
Okay, in the breakout room, we have 3 members like Prof. Fajar, Sis Yanti, and Sis Inky, and we talk about all country have a similar holiday or not. And we all both talk about there is some, I think it depends, some maybe it's only New Year's and Christmas, there is have similar holiday, and another is different. And we talk about our best memory on holiday. Also, we talk about the gift on any holiday, what kind of gift we prepare or we give a gift to our family. And last, I think about have our country or our city doing parade. And have you ever been joined to that parade? And this is only Sis Inky answer that in her city, she's doing a Pascha parade. Yeah, they celebrate that. And she
great.
already joined in that parade and it's very exciting. I think that's it.
Oh, really great, Sis Sylvie. Well done. Lovely. Okay, so guys, I think that's gonna be enough for today, everyone. I would have like here, guys, the vocabulary today. And if you want to say, start from here. Tadi, sausis mara, right? So this is the first is I forgot. This is like pemandian air panas, guys. What is sausis mara? What tadi?
Hot spring.
That's a hot spring. You just say hot spring is enough ya guys ya. Pemandian air panas. Pemandian air panas. Okay. That's one. And if you want to say bukit, just say hill, but it's gonna be different with pegunungan. Daerah pegunungan gitu. So you can just say mountains.
Mountains.
Ada S-nya ya. Mountains, pegunungan. Okay, right everyone. Guys, how do you say belut in English? That is? I think it's Sia with Sis Yani. Yes, eel. Right, that's a eel. Betulnya eel gitu guys ya. Eel. That is belut. Okay. That's what. I think you like eating that. This is really great food, right? Belut. Eel. All right, everyone. Okay, everyone. Okay. Yang garing. Oh my god, really good with sauce. What with sambal, right? Okay, great. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Only that, and overall, you have such a good one, everyone. Okay, let's keep it up, guys. Ya. Kalau bahasa Inggrisnya singgah, nginep gitu ya, bro?
Mampir.
Oh, mampir.
Mampir. Ya, jadi kalau perjalanan kan suka mampir ke tempat oleh-oleh gitu.
Mampir ya. So mampir ini mampir gak tinggal gak tidur gitu kan?
Kayak harinya kayak gitu.
It's like a stop by.
By stop.
Oh, stop gitu. Yeah, you can just say drop by. Yeah, you can say drop by. Drop.
How about topless, bro, Fik?
Topless.
Ya, bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
Topless is topless. No. Topless is topless, guys. Topless. Yeah.
Topless is topless.
Topless, but it is gonna be different spelling. Beda ya, teman-teman. Or maybe you can say like jar is okay. Like a jar.
Jar.
Jar itu juga toples ya guys ya. It is better you say this one. Toples itu pakai toples is okay. Or maybe jar is the common. Ya guys ya. What toples? Okay, like a jar. This is like a glass jar or the glass jar. Kalau itu dari gelas gitu guys ya. Dari kaca toplesnya. Alright. Okay. Then basically just say jar is enough. Itu toples teman-teman. Okay, that's one.
Thank you,
Okay,
bro.
that's one. Okay. Tadi singgah itu drop ya guys ya. Drop by. Nah, this is singgah. I drop this one. Okay. Okay, guys, I think that's gonna be enough for today, everyone. This is our topic, and before we close our class, the word of today. Anyone wants to give it? Sis Yani, I think you want it, right? Okay, Sis Yani, come on. Okay, yeah, Sis Yani, it's your time.
Me.
What?
Oh ya tuh.
Siapa nih guys? Who wants guys? Raise your hand. Siapa nih yang mau nih guys?
Okay.
Oh, Sis Mori, Sis Mori. All right, Sis Mori. Okay.
Yeah.
Sis Mori. Okay.
Bro
One. Yeah.
Bro Vic, but this statement from William Shakespeare, it's okay?
Is never mind.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, William
One. Wait.
Shakespeare.
Okay. Okay.
Oh,
So Shakespeare. One,
Yeah.
2, 3,
Shakespeare
go.
said, I always feel happy.
Kata-kata hari ini. Yes.
Okay. I always feel happy, you know why?
Belum sis.
Okay. Kata-kata hari ini Sis Mori.
Yeah, Shakespeare said, I always feel happy, you know why? Because I don't expect anything from anyone.
Oh, really good, guys.
Don't expect anything from
Important, yeah.
anyone.
Expectation. Okay, that's really good. Okay, we don't need to expect anything from anyone.
Don't depend others ya.
Yes, that's right. Even
from Allah.
yeah, that's really good, guys. Really good. Okay, guys. I think that's really good. Word of today this morning from Shakespeare. Ooh, lovely. Okay, so it makes it calm. Because no expectation too much. Okay, okay. It will be disappointed if it is outside from our expectation. Is that right? Okay, guys. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. And the last I say, speaking partner.
We are the best partner.
Password, guys.
Keep smiling.
Thank you, bro.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Keep being
Bye-bye,
nice.
everyone.